Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Yeah, so we started off the morning with dew points in the upper 60s. And it felt so good. The temperature was down, the dew points were down. We are now at a dew point of 70, which is not, a lot more than that. It's still pretty comfortable out there. We have a east wind, northeast wind coming in at about 10. And it'll be about like that throughout the afternoon. Maybe a few more clouds building, particularly in inland areas, I think. And we are going to rely on that east wind for whatever chance of rainfall that we have today, which is not all that much, only about a maximum of about 20%. We have temperatures that are pretty warm anticipated today. I mean, a little bit warmer than average, coming in probably around 87, 88 degrees, particularly in inland areas, maybe a little cooler near the coast, but not much. 81 degrees Wauchula, 82 in Arcadia right now, 81 in Myakka, 79 in Parrish, 82 in Bradenton, 82 Sarasota, 83 Venice, 82 in Northport, and Punta Gorda comes in at 82. Now, yesterday, our temperatures were quite a bit cooler, but then we had a lot of cloud cover around. Today, with the sunshine that we get, our temperatures will be a little bit warmer than that, particularly as all of this land is heated up by the sun, and our winds transport that heat across the peninsula. Well, it's not only going to transport heat, it's going to transport a little bit of moisture, and that is what is kind of key to the forecast today. We're going to take the moisture that you see kind of building and moving toward the east here on the other coastline, and we're going to transport some of that right across the peninsula into our neck of the woods. Now, the air is still fairly dry, so you're not going to get a lot of activity pushed across that peninsula, but there'll be a few. There'll be a few showers that'll pop up here in Hardee, DeSoto County, maybe inland Sarasota, Manatee County. The further south you go, probably the less chance of rainfall you're going to see. Most of the nation today is just as quiet as it gets. We're looking at maybe a few scattered showers to the Pacific Northwest, maybe some snow at the highest elevations along the border, but otherwise pretty quiet along the eastern seaboard, the heartland, into the open plains, back to the desert southwest. A few scattered showers in parts of California, which of course is a good thing. They may pick up a quarter inch of rainfall in areas that are parched. But this high pressure ridge is sprawling, expansive, and is pretty much holding fast for the next couple of days. We have, of course, the frontal boundary that passed a little bit to our south and pulled up stationary. That is in the process right now of decaying and falling apart. Around this high pressure ridge, we get this wind flow out of the east that surges each evening and through the morning hours. That kicks up some of these showers and brings them back in this direction. That'll be true today, and it will probably be true again tomorrow until enough dry air filters in that we'll pretty much eliminate that chance of showers moving across the state. So a sun-cloud mix today, breezy, especially in the later part of the afternoon, and then isolated afternoon showers. So all in all, a pretty good day shaping up for us. Now, here's the thing. Those winds will be picking up again tonight, so a small craft advisory will be issued at 7 o'clock tonight and extend through the evening hours into the morning hours. Then it'll probably be reissued again tomorrow night as we see the same sort of wind surge. Winds are going to be kind of busy all week long. 2 to 4 foot seas, choppy conditions on bay and inland waters. Now, as we look at the 7-day forecast, you'll notice an increase in rain chances as we get into next work week. I think there'll be a front moving through here that'll be a significant one on Wednesday, and I think daytime highs will probably drop into the low to mid 70s for daytime highs, and nighttime lows in some places, particularly inland and to the north, may actually dip into the upper 50s, low 60s. Certainly possible. Scott?